today I'll be teaching you how to make chane, chickpea curry. For this recipe, you would need 2.5 cups of boiled chickpeas, 2.5 to 3 cups chickpeas broth, half a cup chopped onion, paste of 1 small tomato, 1.5 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon black peppercorn, 2 tablespoons Masoor Daal, which is red lentils, 3 teaspoons ginger garlic paste, 3 tablespoons of yogurt, cilantro for garnish, 1 green chili chopped for garnish, and fresh or dried curry leaves. In a small pot, add oil, peppercorn, curry leaves, and onion. Fry until golden brown on medium heat. Add ginger garlic paste and cook for 30 seconds. Add tomato paste and all spices and the lentils. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes on medium heat. Add yogurt and cook until oil is separated. Next, add chickpeas, mix well and cover, and cook for 5 to 6 minutes on medium to low heat. Check occasionally and mix. Add 2 to 3 cups of chickpea broth and mix well. Cook on low heat for 20 to 25 minutes. Garnish with cilantro and green chilies. Enjoy! Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Until next time, bye bye now.